making things possible for us. Palakpakan po ang Petron! Thank you, Petron. People from Petron. Also, we'd like to thank people from San Miguel Beer. Palakpakan po natin ang San Miguel Beer for making things possible for us. And of course, Jeepney Music. Palakpakan po, Jeepney Music. All right. At ang siyempre ang ating caterer. Pasalamatan po natin ang ating caterer. Juan Sebastian. Tama po ba? Juan Sebastian, thank you so much for that great service. Of course, and of course for the wonderful food that you have provided. Karenge katamong kabalena po VIPs for us tonight. Palakpakan po natin. Juan Sebastian. Mga kaibigan, ako rin po ay isang Kapampangan. Ako po ay tubong Angeles. Ako po ay nakatira sa may Santa Maria Village. Kumusta ako nga po? Ako po si Archie Zapata, DJ Hitman po of TV5's 92.3 News FM. Ayan, doon po ninyo ako maririnig. Every day from 8 in the morning to 4 p.m. po, I do the news. Pagdating naman po sa entertainment, kilala po nila ako as DJ Hitman. Okay, talking about entertainment, who wants to bring home a brand new tribal shirt like this that I'm wearing? Come on, I want to see some hands. Let's give away some tribal shirts. Palakpakan po natin ang tribal shirts. Napakadaling game. Nasaan na yung next band natin? Next band, our next Kapampangan band, kind of please set up. Ayan, so let's kill some time. Okay, so magbibigay po tayo ng mga papremyo. Simulan po natin sa isang t-shirt mula po sa tribal shirt. I need 3 contestants. Ayan, sino po ang malakas ang loob nasasali? Kailangan ko muna mga lalaki. Kasi I think yung gift natin is para sa mga lalaki ha, hindi lalaki. Lalaki ha, kailangan lalaki. Okay, 3 lalaki na marunong kumanta ng kanta ng Black Eyed Peas. Parang wala nagtasang. 3, I need 3. Come on, I need 3 right now. O dito pasok, 3 contestant. Bouncers, pakibilang. I only need 3 contestants. 3. Okay. Pakinggan natin ang ating mga kababayan dito sa Angeles. Kaya kung paano nila kantahin ang mga awitin po ng Black Eyed Peas. 3 contestants. Okay. 3 contestants. Up here on stage, please. Come on. All right, man. Okay. 1 contestant. O, doon sa harap. 1 more. I need 2 more. I need 2 more contestants. Who wants to join in this contest? Come on. All you gotta do is just sing a 1-liner or 2-liner Black Eyed Peas song. Ayan. Kahit anong kanta ng Black Eyed Peas. Kapag hindi Black Eyed Peas ang kinanta, tatadyakan natin pa uwi. Joke lang po. Okay. Dalawa. I need 2 contestants. Come on. Right here. 2 contestants more. Interviewin muna natin yung mga contestants. Para dito ba? Ano po ang pangalan nila?
Jake.
Jake. Yung pangalan niya, Jake ano?
Jake Ewan?
Jake Ewan. Taga saan si Jake?
Bakit lang sa abang bato kung taga saan si Alan Apple Diap?
Kabaryo! Oh, pare, pakinggan mo ko.
Ako'y Pilipino.
Alright! Okay, we got our first contestant right here. We need 2 more. 2 more contestants. Where are they? Asan ang malalakas sa loob dyan? You, that guy, wearing blue shirt. Come on. Come here. Right here. On stage, come on. Dalawa ba? Dali. It's a brand new tribal shirt. Come on. From Tribal. Come on. 2 more contestants. I need you right here, right now. Come on. Yun. Yung tinuturo nila. Come on.